Hi everyone, welcome to this special video where I'll actually guide you how you could use um, this GPT to find leads. Obviously, the process is quite costly if you go around. I'll show you two methods of how you could find leads using GPT and using Apollo for your outbound process. So just let me just scroll down the screen size. The very first way of finding any sort of lead is going on Apollo, and Apollo helps you get a lot of data. So example, that is the most used feature is lookalike option that I use a lot, but simply like if you want to find, let's say, com uh, clients in, let's say, London, okay, client based in London, which is UK. You want to find companies which are in, let's say, which have 11 to 20 employees and are fully active, let's say, with like and they are, let's say, active in the AI space, which is, let's say, we put it like artificial intelligence. So AI is not a word. Maybe let's say they are in marketing and advertising space. So I click on marketing and advertising, and I'll get a list of example here, all the companies that are active in this space. So information technology services or marketing. So this is how I can get companies. But the other way to find the same thing using the same process is something that I've just developed here. Is you need to first find, let's say, you have to have this prompt. The prompt here simply says something like this. I want you to help me research and compile a list of 100 companies that closely resemble my best client for lead generation purposes. Here are example of my current ideal clients. Now, how do you find companies like this? Again, for that, you could use GPT. So example, here I've used this thing, generate three random SaaS companies working recently Series A and Series B funding. Okay. Has raised Series A and B funding, working B2B AI companies. It should be in following format: company name, LinkedIn URL. So basically, I'm trying to go on Google and say, "Yeah, find me the three best companies who have recently raised any round of funding, are in the B2B space, B2B or B2C space, AI focused SaaS." So it gave me three companies like this. Let's say Thread AI LinkedIn, Photo Room, which raised 43 million Series B, Nourished LinkedIn Series B in May 2025. Let's say I want to say like make it more specific to companies based in London, United Kingdom. And I believe most of you have access to GPT because just $20 a month. So we got these three companies. Okay. Send me in the following format. Following format, format only. Company name plus LinkedIn, company, LinkedIn URL. So I got this three companies, which is with their names, their URL, they are in the B2B SaaS space. I would give you the access to this prompt. And then what need to just do is we just need to replace it in the main prompt that we have. So I go here, I click here, and I just replace this company names. Okay. I replace this company names and let's hit the send option. Okay. Let's just also put they should be based in London, United Kingdom, Kingdom only. So we take this, just remove it from here. Uh, Here we have the option. So we would have like United Kingdom only. Stuff here is you could have it changed, and I hit the send option. Taking some time to process the information, and here you could find here are the 10 verified London-based agencies that closely match your list. Again, these are all leads that you could reach out to. Now, next is you could have this same list. Example, if you want to find all companies, example, we just take one random company. Creative brand design, let's take this. Okay, I take this and I then go into my filter, and I just remove all the filter on my Apollo, and then I just add one filter here, which is, let's say, enter companies, creative brand design. So is it showing? Is it showing? No, it is not showing. So let's take the next company which is available here, Wardor. Name sounds so big. Okay, so wardor.co.uk is available. I have given AI Wardor, and it just gives me a lot of companies which are in the similar space across this. If I click on research, let's say run a custom AI prompt, and uh, I'll just use a prompt here to research. Obviously, this complete process is a lead gen process. So start with a template. I need to find all companies, let's say, who your target company sells to, assign or not assign. Summarize company news, summarize product and industry insight, know if company. Let's say summary, we want the company's summary. So I click on save and run first 10 rows, run Singh. So let's just we take bold and pepper. We just select these two companies and we want the AI to run on that. So we go here and then select on two selected rows. So I've just added a command here, and you could see the AI is getting researched about these two companies, and it's trying to find all the information again that you could use. So this is a content focused marketing campaign tailored to a bilingual company. Industries Miracle sells to is works with organization across Wales and UK, including sector as global medical, advertising and client focused on sustainability and environmental projects. See this? No price specific range. It did the research for this both companies. Okay. Something like this as well. On this case, it is like providing the price range, which industries it has been a part of, and to which industry. This is like quick process of how you could use AI. Just put it in the comment section if you know more videos like this. I'm trying to come across like more AI stuff in our processes which we are doing inside our programs. But this was one video to show you how it works.